Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing out of Apple TV and the App Store so settings can update cleanly. Once done, open Settings and go to Accounts. You need your Apple ID password and a payment method valid for the new country. Make sure to check active subscriptions because regional content and auto renewals can block the switch. Cancel or transfer them if necessary. This prevents account locks and ensures you can add a local payment method when prompted. Now change the Apple ID country through settings on an iPhone or Apple's account website because Apple TV follows that account location. After signing in, choose Media and Purchases, then view Account and Country/Region. Select the new country, accept terms, and enter a local billing address and payment method. If you lack a card, use a local store gift card once the country is set. Make sure to remove or update any lingering subscriptions. Finally, restart your Apple TV and sign back in so the device refreshes storefronts and app availability. Once signed in, verify that regional apps and subscriptions appear. Re-download region-specific apps and restore purchases where allowed. If content or payment errors persist, double-check the Apple ID country on a browser, confirm the payment method matches the new country, then restart devices. If problems continue, contact Apple support. Live agents can clear account flags that block country changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.